Ever heard of futures trading and thought, too complicated? You're not alone. Futures trading can feel like decoding a puzzle, but it's simple at its core. A future is a contract that locks in a price today to buy or sell something later, like oil or gold. When you trade this contract, you are not actually buying or selling it. You're predicting its price movement, and if you get it right, you earn the profit. But with jargon, margin rules, and expiry dates, it may feel like a puzzle only pros can solve. That's where Hola Prime steps in. We make futures trading simple. No complications, no chaos, just clarity. Here's how. Take the one-step Prime challenge. Hit a 6% profit target. Stay within 3% max loss. Pass, and get the Hola Prime account with profit splits. Simple rules, simple trading. And don't worry, we'll make sure you don't just learn it, you master it. Free coaching that actually teaches you. Hola Prime TV with live trading insights and easy explainers. Clear, simple, rules-based trading, nothing hidden. News trading? Allowed. Copy trading? Supported. Pro trading platforms? Ready to use. Trade instruments listed on CME, COMEX, NYMEX, and CBOT on all major platforms. Oh, and did we mention? We're the industry's first with 1-hour payouts. So you don't just learn fast, you get paid fast. Because futures trading shouldn't feel like a maze. It should feel like progress. Got the will? We've got the skill, support, and capital to back it. Hola Prime Futures.